Today we're going to show you how to remove the Simomed CRT display from the monitor cart. If you purchased another CRT from us, or if you're getting an LCD display, many times we'll send you this little kit. It's got the 5 tools in it that you might need to do the job. There's a handle, there's an extension, there's a number 10 Torx, a number 20 Torx, and a flathead screwdriver. First thing you do, unplug the machine. Make sure you don't have any electricity there. Turn the cart around to get to the back. And you're going to need the number 20. To take the back cover off of the video monitor. This particular one is a 110/26/28. There's another Simomed CRT display. I think it's a 36. I can't remember the part number, but instead of an X2080, it's a B5310, and it's very similar. There's little slight differences in the cover design and whatnot, but they're relatively interchangeable. Take the cover off. You'll see a back cover here. Same thing. You take the number 20 Torx. Take these 4 screws out here to get that cover off. Set the cover and the screws aside. You may or may not have this little video shielding here. You take that off with the T20. Inside you'll find a power cord. Unplug that. It may or may not be tied down to a strain relief. And you'll need to switch to the T10 to get the strain relief. You just take one side loosened and the other side out. Don't drop the little screw. There you go. Quarter turn to the counterclockwise to get, and then pull straight back out to get the video BNC connector off. You can put your screw back in so you don't lose it. Go ahead and tighten these up so they don't fall out. At this point, you just stick this stuff back on here so it doesn't get lost. Don't have to tighten everything down. We're just putting this back together so the pieces don't get lost. Down the bottom there's 2 screws that hold the monitor onto the base. It's either going to be the T20 or the flathead. I have no idea which one you'll have on your machine. On this one here, I've got 2 flatheads. You loosen them up all the way until they're nice and loose, and this should slide forward until you hit a stop. Once you slide the monitor forward, make sure you have a place to set it down. You can tilt it forward, lift it, and just set it down. Try not to set it on the screen because it can scratch the CRT, the glass of the CRT. We'll worry about putting that together later. And now you've got your CRT off of the machine.